Right now on the radar, you can see it's fairly quiet for our coastline, but we are tracking showers and thunderstorms off the east coast and a few more out over the Gulf of Mexico, sandwiched in between. Our roads are fairly dry. A little bit better cluster of showers here north of Key West, and these showers and thunderstorms dissipating just a little bit well offshore. You can see from Cape Coral all the way through downtown Fort Myers, we remain pretty dry. And on the east coast, we're tracking these because if you're making that drive across the alley to Broward today, you might have to run the windshield wipers once or twice. Our rainfall totals yesterday, not all that impressive, a little under 1/10 of an inch in Naples, but don't worry, we're going to add to those totals as we go throughout the next couple of days, especially for Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures this morning in the low to mid 70s across town with 76 at Page Field, and the wind's fairly light, less than 10 miles per hour. We'll see it gust in the low to mid teens later on this afternoon, and this easterly breeze is what's going to push all those showers and thunderstorms in our direction. Normally we should be around 91 degrees. We hit 94 yesterday, 92 is our forecast high today, and you can see the record high back in 1980 hitting 98 degrees. So let's put the forecast model into motion here this afternoon. As early as 2 o'clock, we can start to see some of those showers and thunderstorms go up, and that easterly breeze is going to push them right off the coastline. A few more developing back towards DeSoto County and Highlands by 5 o'clock. And then again tomorrow, look at the coverage, a little more widespread. That's why the 80% chance of rain here, and that will linger all the way through Wednesday. Tuesday night by sunset, we'll still see a couple of showers and thunderstorms dying down, and by Wednesday afternoon, we do it all over again. Got to talk about the tropics because just a couple hundred miles to our north, what could be the next tropical storm heading towards the coastline here of Georgia and South Carolina. Right now, the National Hurricane Center giving this a 60% chance of possibly becoming a depression or a storm as it gets a little closer to the coast. Right now, dry air really taking a toll on this system, but it's so close to the coastline. We're going to have to keep our eye on it here for some pretty fast development. Another area way out in the Atlantic. Right now, the National Hurricane Center has a 20 to 30% chance over the next 2 to 5 days. Long time to watch this one as it gets a little closer to the Windward Islands. Here's what it looks like in the computer model. Watch this little spin start to work its way towards the Georgia coastline later on today and through tomorrow morning, and all that deep tropical moisture remains right here in southwest Florida. That's why our rain chance stays up. Igman Marine forecast has seas near 2 feet, water temperature of 87 degrees. So as we get you to that 7-day forecast, going to be a little wet, especially in those afternoon hours. You can see that 80% chance of rain there Tuesday, Wednesday. A little more cloud cover through Thursday and Friday. We'll keep our temperatures in the upper 80s. We'll be right back with much more here on Fox 4 Morning News.